Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you on our new outdoor kitchen. We've been working on it for about a week and as things always take longer than you think, it's not yet finished, but you can see the progress that we've made over this last week. But before we get into that, I want to say a really big thank you. I'm a bit overwhelmed by all the new subscribers. It took me about 10 months to get to 1,000, and now the video about our last year, the first year here on our farm, has gone a bit viral, so it's a bit overwhelming. And many more comments than I would ever get, and many more subscribers than I would think to get in this month. So I want to thank you all so much for being here with me. I'm so happy you found my channel. I hope you enjoy my channel. It is now getting to the point that I don't really have the time to answer all my comments anymore. I do read them all. I've had some really good tips in the comments on my last garden tour, so thank you so much for that. And I want to say an extra big thank you to all my new patrons over on Patreon. You really help support me making these videos. If you also want to support these videos and work on our farm here, then you can find a link for my Patreon in the description box down below. I will also set up a system where you can do a one-time payment, and we were already thinking about a PO box, but we will set that up in the coming weeks. So if you want to give a small one-time donation, you can also do that as well. So now let's get into building our outdoor kitchen. Good morning. So today we're continuing the outdoor kitchen project. Martin dug out a little bit of the terrace to make everything flat, and we put down the first couple beams. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put down the next and the three final beams. We put everything on rocks just with the deck for the yurt. And then Martin can start hammering down the planks that he got from some pallets. So let me show you. So this is how far we've come for now. We already hammered down 2 planks to keep the beams in their place, and now we're gonna do 3 more beams. And then over here we have the pile of pallet wood planks that we're gonna use as the flooring. as you can see, we're not yet finished with everything. For now what we have done is we've built the walls and the frame for the roof, but we needed some extra screws to really put everything on the way we want to. So in the next couple of days we'll be putting on the tin roofing and we can start moving in all the kitchen cabinetry, and then we will have a wonderful kitchen. I think we'll start making a little sitting area in front of it, and it's just in time for 35 degrees in the forecast next week, so that's lovely. Wednesday we're gonna do a question and answer video. I had many similar questions in the comment section of my viral video. I also posted something in the community tab yesterday, so if you have a question for that video, do go over to the community tab and put it down there. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on Wednesday.